Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com doing a video review of the top 7 to 9 groups, industry groups. Here's a fact for us. It's not an opinion, it's a fact. Leading groups produce overall, not always, but the vast majority of leading stocks come from leading groups. That's a quantifiable statement, by the way. All right? And I used to teach statistics on a university level, so trust me, it is. Now, are there exceptions to the statement? Yes, there's exceptions. But overall, the vast majority of super stocks, stocks that make big moves, come from leading groups. So we're going to do this real quick. The number one group, Energy Solar. And I'd like to point this out to you. 6 months ago, it was group rank 72. 3 months ago, it was group rank 1. Last week 1. This week 1. Here's the daily chart. And you can see how it's just hanging in there. That's nice. Relative strength's 99. Notice the price volume relationships. Up on heavy volume, down on less volume. Spike up on a pickup in volume, going sideways, pulls back Friday on less volume. Number one group. Is there a really clean entry spot here? No, not really, but it is the number one group. Here's the number two group. Food and meat products. What stock's in that group? Well, here we're going to do something for you. In fact, I'm going to go back to the top here. Here are, right here, top relative strength and EPS stocks in the group. Percent off high. And there can be overlap here. This way you can see what are the leading stocks in the group. And anytime you want to take a screenshot of it, that's my service for you. By the way, this program is called MarketSmith. I was in the beta test group for the original product called Daily Graphs Online back in the late 1990s. Number one group, top stocks. Number two group, food and meat products. What's the leading stock in the group? Well, look at this. Right here, it shows you. This one right here has a relative strength of 99. Now, I'm not pounding the table on it. No way. But it's made a good move. We've made great money on it. Here's the other leading stocks in the group, and it's hanging in firm. Look at this. Last week it was group rank 2. This week it was group rank 2. So hopefully that helps you. Here's group rank 3. Mining, gold, and silver. Moving up in rank. What stock was on the key list that we still are in? This one right here, Kirkland. KL. You connect the dots. Now you're getting my point. Look at how this lifted off right here. This is about the time Kirkland took off. I'm going to do something for you too. Look at the volume coming into this here. Is that beautiful? Look at that. You think we're the only people in the world that saw this? No, others did. That's why we do this. Group rank 4. Retail, wholesale, automobile. Ran up, pulled back. That's good volume on Friday. Heavy volume, pulled back. Here's the leading stocks in the group. And again, it's 6 months ago, it was group rank 151, 1944. What you want to see? Group rank 5 has moved up nicely in rank. Market research. Here's the leading stocks in the group. This is top relative strength and EPS. And this is percent off high. And there can be overlap there. Like VRSK, Verisk Analytics, is here and here. CSGP, CoStar, here and here. So there they are. Group rank 6 has moved up nicely in rank. Look at this. From 42 to 12 to 6 to 8. The trade desk. We all know the trade desk. It's hanging in here. One negative is it did not hit new highs here recently. Also, this bar ran up and closed down on a slight pickup in volume. There's also some distribution in here on the daily chart. Something to be aware of. Am I saying it's over? No, we don't forecast. We just look at price and volume and see what's happening. Software Enterprise fell on heavy volume, bounced back on decent volume. It's been a good group. I mean, look at this. Look at the persistence here. 6 months ago it was 2. This stock's basically been in the top 10 groups for months. And that's good. Telecom, services, cable was 21, 20, 13, 8. Hanging in there. I like what it did on Thursday. Only negatives did it on no volume. Here's the leading stocks in the group. I'll give you one more. I'll give you 9. 106 was 2, then 16. From 16 to 9. Building, residential, commercial. Relative strength hitting highs. Leading stocks in the group. That's the top 9 groups. What I do for the VIPs, I'll give them the top 26 to 28 groups. Wanted to share this with you. I hope this helps you. Again, we look at the leading groups and find the leading stocks in the groups. And we look at price and volume characteristics on it. You know, this is a 5-minute video. If I wasn't talking, I could go through these 9 groups in less than a minute. I wanted to show it to you, and I hope it helps you, focusing in on leading groups and the leading stocks in those groups. And I hope you're all having a great weekend, and I thank you.